As that fellow once said, you can't get there from here. And these days, even if you could, you couldn't afford to. That's why this summer, a whole lot of families are planning staycations and are looking for entertaining and interesting things to do around home, like visiting parks, enjoying beaches, and taking guided tours of Mathews Brothers Window Factory. Now, besides the obvious cost benefit of taking a free factory tour that comes complete with a souvenir thingamajig, there's lots of additional benefits. For example, watching the amazing equipment we use, seeing the windows tortured on our test wall, and taking selfies with our world-famous Wicked Awesome Beverly. Truth is, seeing our factory is so fascinating that on more than one occasion, visitors took the tour and at the conclusion asked for a job application. It could happen to you too. As an added bonus, every tour guest that requests a job application will receive not one, but 2 souvenir thingamajigs. To sign up for your tour, just go to MathewsBrothers.com and click on the bright red Factory Tour button. You can find our Wicked Awesome windows and doors at Better Lumber Yards and Window Professionals or on the web at MathewsBrothers.com. Mathews Brothers with 1 T, America's oldest window manufacturer.